A lonely deer dining under the moonlight. Hey Foxy, what's with the sneaky moves? Now that's a sunset worth pausing for. Check out this hungry little squirrel looking just like a rabbit. How many wild boars can you count in the frame? Oh, Birdie, drinking from the bathwater? Really? Clearly this deer doesn't enjoy silence. Knock knock, I'm home. Oh, wrong door, sorry. This donkey is enjoying all this grass by itself. It's getting chilly. Time for a cozy cuddle. Come on, boys. Time to head home for dinner. Watch how this deer freaks out at the camera. Hey guys, how are you doing? Oh, okay. I guess I'll see you next time. What a lucky bug. Or maybe luckbirds. Look at these cutie birds cuddling together. They must be starving.